I'd like to introduce to you the newest feature on my Wizard tablet, the Blue Book Pricing Guide. Utilizing the Blue Book pricing will maintain high profits for you and allow you to access thousands of service calls. Let me show you exactly how it works. Starting from the Wizard home page, tap the Blue Book icon that you see circled here at the top, and this will immediately link you to the Blue Book database online. There you sign in under the credentials that were provided to you when you purchased the tablet. You have entered the Blue Book area, and your next step is to tap the icon that says Blue Book Page. Once you're in the database, you need to select your type of appliance, then the brand, and then within the brand, select the job. Once you've selected your job out of the many choices, it will display the description of the job, the parts involved, and once you hit add, it will give you the pricing for the entire job, labor and parts. Follow the pricing guide like gospel, and it will make you a small fortune in a short time.